Today I'm going to be renovating my mini kitchen that I have set up in my bedroom. Currently there is only a mini fridge with a basket of snacks on top, but I was looking for a little bit of an upgrade. So today I'm going to be assembling a few things to give it the upgrade that it needs, so stay tuned for that. So we got this package here and we're going to unbox it, so let's see what's inside. So we got the IKEA table. Just set that over here. Pegboard. Wrapping. Trash. Choke. The legs. More legs. Did I just break that? Yeah, whatever. So basically for this project, what we had to do was we had to take like the countertop of the table, like the white slab, and then put on metal plates on the bottom. And then after the metal plates were on, you could actually just screw in the legs, which was very easy and very simple to do. I didn't even have to use a drill, I just used a regular screwdriver. And for the pegboard was a very easy installation. All you had to do was basically drill into the wall, but before, it'd probably be smart to put some anchors in the wall. But other than that, the pegboard was super easy to set up, and I look forward to using it. So in this video today, I basically redid the little kitchen area I had in my room, and I got some stuff from IKEA, and I ordered it online. Now, because I order from Amazon so much, I usually do that $25 free shipping thing. But with IKEA, you had to pay $9 for shipping. That was like a lot, but I think it was well worth the money. So what we did was we got a table, we got a pegboard, and we got some accessories for the pegboard. And I'll link all the descriptions to those items in my description below, and you can go check out their IKEA website and go purchase them for yourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I plan on doing more DIYs. Thank you for watching.